Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to create a small program in Microsoft Excel. We are going to create a program that looks like this. So the first thing is you have to open the Microsoft Excel, click on blank workbook. Now we are going to select from A1 to G2, click on merge and center. Now we are going to make color shading. You can use the fill color option here. You can choose the color that you like. Let's suppose I'm going to choose this color. Let's write down the title, REPORT, report card. I want to change the text color also, so click here, select the color from here, make it white, done. As you can see, it's bottom, so we'll make it a middle align from this option. This is top align, this is middle align. Next is just the titles such as subjects and quizzes. So subject, quiz 1 out of 10 mark, quiz 2 out of 10 mark, assignment 10 mark, project 10 mark, exam 60 mark, and then total 100. You can see here that the text is not fully visible. The reason is the width of the cell. Okay, if we adjust it like this way manually, we can do that. Or if you want to make it automatically for the all cells, just click here and then double click on the separators. See, all the cells are automatically adjusted. Fine. Now let's write down the subjects. English and Arabic. Let's make them bold. Select all of these. Click here to make it bold. Similarly for these. Done. Okay. Now let's make the borders. Select all of this and choose from here borders, all borders. I want to increase the size of this text also. I'll make it 20 and bold. Fine. Next is the data entry. You can write here any data that you want. Anything that you like. Okay, let's make it center aligned. All of these, click here, center aligned. Now we are going to sum them all. So first of all, you will click on this cell, go to formulas, click on auto sum, click sum. As you can see here, it has automatically selected, but just to be sure, we'll select from B4 till F4. Okay, press enter, and now you can see in G4 the formula worked. Okay, formula is working in G4 for the cells B4 to F4. Similarly, you are going to do the same thing for the other cells. Okay, or you can use another method, which is hold and drag. See, it worked for this one, it worked for this one, and for all of them, right? Next is we are going to calculate grand total, okay, and the percentage and the result. Fine. Let me shade it. I want to shade them all. Fill color. Let's make it anything. Okay. Bold, center. Fine. Okay. Now this grand total, we are going to bring the total of all the marks. Okay, so same thing we are going to do. We'll click on formulas, auto sum, but not for the quizzes, for the total from G4 to G8, and press enter. Worked. To calculate the percentage, you should know the total marks scored by the student and the maximum mark in the report card. The maximum mark will be 500 because 5 subjects, each subject for 100 mark, so therefore it is 500. How do you do that? Equal subject marks scored, which is this one, C10, divided by 500. Press enter. As you can see here, this is 0.897. It's not the percentage, it is the general text. Shuf, it's over here. So what we are going to do is we are going to make it percentage. This one, it will be now 89.70. I'll make all of these center aligned also, looks better. Now we are going to create here the result. The result will be based on the formulas. If, let's say, if the grand total is more than 250, okay, greater than 250, if the total is greater than 250, then the student should pass, otherwise fail. Okay, we are going to set this condition. Fine, so 50% marks he should have, in other words. So formulas, logical, make sure you have selected this cell. If function, if C10 is greater than 250, then the student has passed the exam, otherwise he failed, right? Click OK. As we can see here, it is more than 250, so the student passed. Now let's remove these marks and check. See, it says 166 as the total mark, 166.5, and the result is fail. Fine. Now let's do the conditional formatting, that if the result is pass, it changes color to green. If the result is fail, it changes to red color. How do you do that? Go to Home tab, conditional formatting, new rule, cell that containing a specific text, containing, if it is pass, then format, fill color, choose from here fill, green color, click OK, done. You can see here it is this one. Now I'll remove these marks and see what will happen now. It is fail. If I bring the mark again, let's say 50, 50, see, it is pass. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing for the fail. Home, conditional formatting, rules, cell that contains specific text, containing fail, format it to be fill with red color. Click OK. Now if I change it 0, 0, whatever, okay, see, failed. Okay, fine. So if you want, you can make this one also conditional formatting. Same thing over here. Rule, if the value is cell is containing value less than equal to 250, then format it fill color red color, click OK. Okay, see, now the problem here is if I make it 100, it is accepting, see, which should not be the case, right? 105%. How come? It should not be more than 100%. So to do this, to stop this error, we are going to use data validation. Okay, so I'm going to select all of these, go to data tab, data validation. It says any value, will choose decimal, minimum is 0 and maximum should be 60 because the exam is out of 60 mark, 60, and click OK. Fine. Now let's try to enter something, 10, 10, 10, anything. Okay, and now re-enter any value more than 60. 61, not accepted. Okay, let's try value less than 0, minus 10, not accepted. So the data validation works. Okay, 60 works, right? Similarly, we are going to apply the conditional formatting over here, because also here you can enter 50 mark, which is accepting it, which is wrong, right? So select all of them together because all of them are out of 10 marks. Again, data validation, choose from here decimal from 0 to 10, click OK. Now try to enter any value more than 10, let's say 20, not accepting. Fine. You can also make here a conditional formatting for green color if you want. Go to Home tab, conditional formatting, new color, okay, new rule, cell containing value greater than 250, and it should be formatting to green color. Click OK, done. Fine. So that's it in this project. If I want to make it 10, okay, if I want to make it 10, 10, 10, 10, you can see here the color is changing, percentage is also 44%, right? So I hope you have learned something from this project. Thank you for watching the video.